Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook profile picture without anyone knowing. First, you'll change your profile picture as usual. Click on the camera icon. Then select the profile picture you want to change to. Adjust the profile picture as usual. Once you've finished adjusting it, click on Save. After changing the profile picture, refresh Facebook. Scroll down. You'll see the profile picture that we changed. Click on the three-dot icon. Select Edit Privacy. Select Only Me. Click on Save. That's it. Once you change your Facebook profile picture, your friends or strangers won't know you updated it.